I am so honored to be a part, to be asked to be a part of the Start Wherever You Are tour. You know, it's not often as an African American woman that we get an opportunity to come together and really support each other, to love each other, to let go of the roles that we play as mothers, as sisters, as friends, as wives, and just show up as who we are, needing what we need, wanting what we want, and more importantly, giving what we can give. And so the Start Wherever You Are tour for me is an opportunity to give everything that I have to you, which is an understanding of how the universe works. It's an understanding of how to get from A to B without struggle, without stress, without strain, and how to support each other. So for me, it's an opportunity to play, to laugh, to learn, to love, and really to share and grow deeper and deeper in becoming more of who I can be and more of who you can be.